Green day on Friday for Appian Corp stock after gaining 2.8%, updated on December 04th 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 4th of November 2020 gain 114.01% PDF. The Appian Corp stock price gained 2.80% on the last trading day, Friday, 4th of December 2020, rising from $147.10 to $151.22, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 7.72% from a day low at $148.30 to a day high of $159.75. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 27.08% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 164,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $306.87 million. Man who predicted 2020 crash says now is the time. Sponsored by the LegacyReport.com. Man who predicted 2020 crash says now is the time. See more. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 80.1% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $176.35 and $362.15 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The Appian Corp stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $154.35. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $102.27. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 27, 2020, and so far it has fallen -22.00%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $140 and $137.10. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Appian Corp finds support just below today's level at $140. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $137.10 and $136.26. $140, $151.22, $174.90. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $11.45 between high and low, or 7.72%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 16.65%. Our recommended stop loss, $142.60, minus 5.70%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 5 days ago. Is Appian Corp stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Appian Corp stock to perform well in the short term. Current score, 1.002. Predicted opening price for Appian Corp of Monday, December 7, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 7, 2020. Current price $153.09, $151.22, undervalued. By candidate unchanged. See more analyst ratings. The last rating was given by Barclays on December 01, 2020. The price target was set to $76. Over the last 30 days, this security got 0 buy, 1 sell and 1 hold ratings. Appian Corporation provides business process management (BPM) solutions. Its BPM tools automate and measures business processes. The firm's products include BPM software, case management, mobile application development, and platform as a service. The company was founded by Matt Calkins, Robert C. Kramer, Mark Wilson, and Michael Beckley in 1999 and is headquartered in Reston, VA. The listed name for APPN is Appian Corporation Class A Common Stock. Summary: Appian Corporation provides a low-code software development platform as a service that enables organizations to develop applications. Through company's platform, organizations can design, build and implement enterprise-grade custom applications. Decision makers can reimagine their products, services, processes and customer interactions. The company's platform automates the creation of forms, data flows, records, reports and other software elements. The company's sale technology allows developers to create an application once and deploy it everywhere. The company's products include business process management, BPM, software, case management, mobile application development and platform as a service. The company provides its services to a range of industries including energy, insurance, health payers and providers, manufacturing, public sector, retail and transportation.